Hi everyone, this is Angela from the appyReward product team. Today I'm going to show you how to reward Jotform respondents and automate survey rewards with appyReward for Jotform. If you like to send a reward to respondents after they complete your form or survey, first install appyReward for Jotform. Connecting your Jotform account to appyReward allows you to start using appyReward without having to create your account manually. So first, I'm going to have to click on the button here that says Connect with Jotform, and a pop-up window will appear that should authorize appyReward to access your Jotform account. So I just hit Allow. That should automatically log you into your appyReward account and then click on Create a new campaign. First option here is to select the platform you want to use. So I'll just click on the drop-down arrow here and select Jotform. For your first campaign, you will be asked to enter the Jotform API Key. This will allow appyReward to access your form and create the necessary links between your campaign and your form or survey. So you need to go to your Jotform account to get the API Key. Click on your picture on the upper right-hand side of the page and then click on your name. And then from the left-hand side here, click on API. Now the option to create a new key is the one that we have to create or to click, and then make sure under permission you select full access. So you just have to copy the API key and paste it on your appyReward account and then click on save. And then just continue to configure your campaign. You need to fill out the form with the name of the campaign. So for my example here, I'm gonna name it my first Jotform campaign. And since I wanted to reward all the participants, this is the option that I selected for the type of campaign, reward everyone. And then if we scroll down a bit, we need to select the type of gift. So if you click on the drop-down arrow, there are three options right here: gift cards, personal gifts if you wanted to personalize your gifts, and swag if you wanted to customize one. So for my example, I'm going to select gift cards and make sure that the country of use is correct. So I selected United States of America. And for the start date, this is the first day that you will start opening your campaign. So I'm going to select here for my example the 6th. And if you click on the clock icon right here, you have an option to select the time on which time you wanted to start the campaign. And then click anywhere to save the date and time in here. End date is the last date that your participants can claim their gifts. So for my example, I say on the 10th, and then I'm gonna edit the time here, and then make sure the time zone is correct. And in describing your campaign, this is only visible for you, so this is optional. And the last part here is to link your campaign to your Jotform. So we need to make sure that we select the right campaign. So the one I created earlier is this one, my appyReward demo campaign. This one is the one I created earlier. And just a note that your Jotform must have an email field so that the respondents can receive the reward via email. If an email field is not in your survey, the reward cannot be sent. And then I just have to click on Next to continue. And then on the next page, we're gonna have to plan our budget. So we have to select the number of contacts. Say for my example, I wanted to have 4, and then click on the check button right here, and then we can choose a gift. Now for demo accounts, this is the only option that we have, but for live accounts, you will see all the list of available gifts that you can browse through. So I click on Amazon gift card and then fix the value in here, and then click on choose. And in this part here is where we can configure the security rules that you want to apply. First option is direct access to the gift. So if you already know your target, you can allow all the contacts to directly access their gift without email verification. Now, this second option is to control access to rewards. So this is recommended because you can protect your campaign against the bots, check and validate access to the gifts for each contact. So every time someone is requesting to claim the gift, you will receive a notification and you have an option to authorize it or allow it. And the last option is to limit access to the gift to one recipient per IP address. Now this is not recommended if you targeting a company, because if multiple contacts with the same IP address want to claim their gift, the access will not be allowed. So you just have to click on next once you're done planning your budget. We're almost there. We just have to review all the campaign settings here. This is the Jotform campaign name, the demo campaign that I created on the Jotform account, the start date, end date, and the time zone. And this part right here is where I can customize the email that we want to send to the participant in claiming their gifts. If you click on Customize button here, there will be another window that pop up. You can then edit the subject. You can upload an image or a logo of your company if you want to. And this is the specification of which is allowed. Content or the message here, this is where you can edit it. The button label, you can also change that if you wish to. This is the button background color to black one, you can change it here. And the button text color as well. If you're all good, you can hit on apply. And of course, the value of the gift is here, the number of gifts, the number of people to send it to, and the budget. And if you're all good, you can click on launch. So it's activated now. That's all. Now, every time your form is completed, an email will be sent to your respondents with the link to get the gift. Now, if you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to reach us. We are always here to support you.